Now you're in Italy. The majority of buildings in downtown cities throughout Italy, particularly those in historic centers, date back to the 12th and 13th century, so they're 700 to 850 years old. The oldest part of these cities feature buildings primarily from the medieval period. And while the core structures are ancient, most buildings, including hotels, have been renovated or expanded over time, creating a mix of architectural styles. So it's been a great day. Now you're ready to check into your hotel. So this video is about a word that you know how to pronounce perfectly and will make a lot of sense to you once you check into your hotel. The word is piano. In Italian, pianoforte or pianoforte elettrico are the musical instruments, but piano means floor. So when you get to the hotel, usually you're going to pass a grand foyer. Usually the structure of the staircase, the walls, and the floors are what's still extremely ancient. So you check in your hotel, an elevator will take you to the correct floor. So here you're choosing number 4. If you're walking a flight of steps, you're actually going to walk up 5 flights of steps to get to the 4th level. And then if you're ascending 1 flight, 2, or 5 flights, that's the number above the ground floor. Pause this video at any time to better understand the graphics. So you check out your hotel room, you have a restful evening, and you want to head out in the morning. You can decide to take a staircase or an elevator. I love the sound of the marble in the corridor of these staircases. But remember, from the 4th floor, you're descending 5 floors to get to the ground floor. To me, some of these staircases are an architectural marvel. They're extremely thin marble with what appears to be minimal support, and they're hundreds of years old. Just exquisite. Most buildings in Italy have subterranean levels, meaning floors below the ground level. The indication for these particular floors are noted what we would call a negative number, like a -1 or a -2, for example. These levels are usually access to things like a swimming pool, the beach, or colazione, your breakfast room. Most often it's for a parking garage. Alternatively, you can take an elevator. 0, or the letter T as in terra, is what we would call the ground floor in North America. And you'll notice that this elevator here has a -1. That's 1 level below ground. Go out and enjoy a fresh cup of cappuccino. And as they say in Italian, piano piano, you say it twice, it means to slow down and enjoy yourself. E la bella vita. Well, I hope this video was useful. I'm off to another city to make yet another video. Ciao tutti! Woohoo!
Thanks for watching.
Tanti auguri per viaggiare in Italia. E la bella vita.